Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn internet versus intranet. So internet is a wide network of computers that is available to all of us. That means everyone can able to access internet website, whereas intranet is a network of computers designed to access only in company premises. That means private website will not able to access in internet. All right, we will not able to access intranet website in a public network. All right, internet is a public network and intranet is a private network. Let's look at diagram. So internet, it is open for all of us. Public can able to access. Every can able to access the internet website. Extranet only can able through suppliers, partners, customers. Customer also you can say a vendor. All right. So in this scenario, company will provide access to, in extranet company will provide access to suppliers, partners to and customer, because they do have to fill up some information in the website, so they also able to access the extranet. All right. Intranet, so intranet will only able to access inside a company. Most of the time you will only able to see internet and intranet, not extranet, so that's fine. All right. So if interviewer will ask you what is internet and what is intranet, so intranet website will only able to access inside company premises and over the VPN. All right, whereas internet website we can able to access from anywhere. All right, so that is not necessary you have to be sit inside the company. That is not necessary for internet website. For internet you must have VPN if you're outside of the company, or else you need to be connect your LAN network to access internet website. All right, so that's it. Let's see you next video.